Hello everyone, welcome to the course called Python Programming for Biotechnologists. In this course, I'll be taking you through various concepts of Python, especially focusing on biotechnology and microbiological concepts. See, now time is gone where computer science students can only understand programming languages. Now biologists can also understand programming languages like Python and apply the concepts of biology that they have understood and merge the computer science and biotechnology all together. This makes biology or biotechnology students really impactful, highly skilled, and they can do a lot in their research, in their academics. So in this particular course, especially this is fundamental course on Python language, what I will be doing is I will be introducing you what Python is, what Google Colab is, what are the basic concepts in Python, what are operators, variables, how we apply functions, how we create loops, and how we actually understand the data collection in Python. All those things are really fundamental. I will not be doing detailed project on this one, but in future, we are going to have subsequent courses that will rely heavily on the basic concepts that you understood from this particular course. So I want everyone to please make sure that you understand all the modules really well. And if you have any doubt, then do let me know in the WhatsApp group. Please join the group so that we can communicate on various concepts. As a biotechnologist, as a microbiologist, I can tell you, once you learn programming languages like Python, you are going to be really valuable to your organization. It really doesn't matter what you do, but you apply the concepts of Python programming in various aspects of your job. You can automate things, you can do detailed data analysis, and you will really feel that this is something powerful skill set you have acquired. So it's really important that you learn Python basics very carefully. So with that note, I welcome you to this particular course. Please take this course and see what kind of changes you are going to have in your research and academics. I do want to mention that this is the course that we created on ResearchGoal. In ResearchGoal, you have various other courses. You have courses on computational biology, you have courses on biotechnology. So please check those courses out. The course price is really affordable. Everyone can have those courses and get the certificate of completion of all those courses. Thank you so much for supporting my course, and I'll see you in the various modules that we are going to have.